Next question is, the question says area of rectangle is given in this form and we have to tell the possible value of length and breadth. Now we know that area of rectangle, what is the formula for area of rectangle? L into B. That means I have to convert this thing in the form of some product, that means in the form of factors. And we can see, we have already discussed in the previous lectures, it is a quadratic equation and we can use the middle term splitting. So I am using the method middle term splitting. Now what we do in that, last term multiply by the coefficient of first term. So 25 into 12, it will be equal to 300, and we have to divide this 300 to make 35. So it will be 25a square minus, now because I need minus 35, so I am taking minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. Now what we can take out common from here? 5a, then it will be 5a minus 4. Same way from here I can take minus 3 common, then 5a minus 4. So 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4. So this can be the possible, either this as length or this as breadth, or this as length and this as breadth. So the possible dimensions are, you can write possible dimensions are 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4. Same way you have to do second part. Now next question is, volume of the cuboid is given to us and we have to tell the possible dimensions, means possible length, breadth and height. Now we know that volume of cuboid is given by L into B into H. That means I have to convert in the form somewhere product of three either terms or something. Fine. So how we can convert? Here no identity, nothing can be used. So simply what we'll do, first of all we can see, can I take something common? 3x I can take common and left will be x minus 4. Now further we cannot do anything. So the possible dimensions are, 3 can be the length, this can be the breadth and this can be the height. So the possible dimensions are, we will write possible dimensions are 3x and x minus 4. That's it. Now again same concept to be used as we have done in A part. Volume is L into B into H, but here the question is little different. So what we will do, this was the question. Now we can see, can I take something common? I can take 4 and k common. So let us take 4k common. Then what will be left? 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Now 4 and k are not two different things. As we have done in A part, 3 and x were two different things because 3 is a constant and x is a variable. Here 4 and k both are constants. So it is considered as a single term, and this is quadratic, so we will get two terms from here. So 4k will remain as it is. Now let us do the middle term splitting. Factors will be, it will be 15, and factors for 15 we can take as 5 and 3, 5y minus 3y minus 5. So 4k. Now from here I can take y common, 3y plus 5, and from here minus 1, 3y plus 5. So 4k as it is, 3y plus 5 and y minus 1. So this can be length, this can be breadth and this can be height. So these are our possible dimensions, 4k, 3y plus 5 and y minus 1.